From froth to fire, Bengaluru's lakes that have been choking with pollution have now taken a very dangerous turn. A day after the Bellandar lake was seen in flames after ignition of flammable gas trapped in the lake, there are now reports of fresh fire in yet another lake in Yemalur. Experts say phosphorus, untreated waste containing oil and combustible chemicals caused that blaze. Just 2 weeks back, Headlines Today reported about the extremely polluted Varthur lake in Bengaluru. Yesterday, a major fire also erupted in the nearby lake Bellandar. The fire was caused due to instantaneous combustion of yellow froth that had been accumulating over the lake for the last few days. The pollution board officials say that the fire could have been caused due to accumulation of methane gas in the bubbles.
Just a week ago, Headlines Today showed you the condition of Varthur Lake, which is Bangalore's biggest lake. And here we are at Yemalur Lake, which is near the HAL area of Bangalore, a relatively smaller lake that flows into the Varthur Lake. But then the condition is far worse because of the garbage in and around this lake, which has been burnt by citizens, and the fire has caught on to the surface of this lake. In fact, one closer look into this lake, one can see spurts of these flames below this froth. Now, citizens believe that it is mainly due to the detergent waste as well as oil that is accumulated on the surface of this lake. Let me actually go across to one such person. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि इस लेक की वजह से कितनी परेशानी हो रही है?
15 इयर्स के हम लोग को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है मैडम, बहुत बास आ रहा है इधर रुकने के लिए नहीं होता है, बहुत स्मेल आता है। ये ब्रिज में जाने के टाइम मूविंग टाइम में बहुत स्मेल आता है। इधर बहुत क्या है, लेक 991 एकर्स है, लेक है, बड़ा लेक है बेंगलोर का। यही पानी वर्तूर लेक को जाता है। एक्चुअली इधर क्या है, बड़ा बड़ा कंपनी है, HAL है, NAL है। बाद में इधर क्या है, लोकल में बिल्डर्स है, एक दिव्यश्री है, एप्सिलॉन है। ये लोग क्या है, राजनाला को पूरा बंद करके रखा है ये लोग, इसलिए इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि क्लीन नहीं है, पानी जाने के लिए मूवमेंट नहीं, इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है इधर।
So many of these industries who have closed the canal here, and because of which the industries do not have a proper outlet for the waste disposal, and that has caused all of these problems. And what is shocking is that at least about 18 deaths because of dengue. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि मच्छरों की वजह से आपको कितनी परेशानी हो रही है?
अरे मच्छरों की वजह से कितने परेशान होता है, मतलब 6 घंटे के ऊपर इधर कोई भी एक आदमी भी नहीं रुक सकता, उतना मच्छर इधर है। फिर बाद में बस इतना गंदा लगता है, उतना गंदा से इधर।
And despite several complaints and questions that have been raised to the authorities, nobody has really done anything. So clearly, no lessons learned. And when will the BBMP as well as the BWSSB answer these people's problems? With camera person Madhu, Pratibha Raman, Bangalore, Headlines Today.